Welcome to Las Vegas, where innovation meets entertainment. Tonight, we delve into a groundbreaking marvel that's redefining live experiences. The Sphere. Join us on this immersive 3D tour as we uncover the secrets behind this architectural and technological masterpiece. Standing at 366 feet tall and 516 feet wide, the Sphere is the world's largest spherical structure. Its exterior boasts a 580,000 square foot, fully programmable LED display, creating a dynamic canvas visible from miles away. This innovative design utilizes geodesic mathematics, where interlocking triangles form the 360-degree shape, ensuring structural integrity and aesthetic brilliance. Imagine having this colossal canvas at your disposal. What mesmerizing visuals would you display? Share your creative ideas in the comments below. Step inside, and you're enveloped by the highest resolution wraparound LED screen ever constructed. A breathtaking 16K display that immerses you in a sea of visuals. With a seating capacity of 18,600, every spectator enjoys an uninterrupted vantage point thanks to the column-free design. Architectural Digest. But it doesn't stop at visuals. The Sphere's advanced audio system features over 167,000 individually amplified loudspeakers, delivering spatial audio so precise, it feels as if the sound is originating from within you. Visit Las Vegas. Constructing this technological marvel required 32,000 tons of steel and cutting-edge engineering. The Sphere's exoskeleton supports its massive dome without interior columns, providing an unobstructed view for all attendees. The exterior's LED system comprises 1.2 million LED pucks, each capable of displaying 256 million colors, creating an unparalleled visual experience. Construction exec. Engineers overcame challenges like heat dissipation and real-time synchronization to bring this venue to life. The result is a seamless integration of technology and architecture, setting a new standard for immersive entertainment. Feeling inspired to create your own 3D masterpieces? Subscribe to our channel for in-depth Blender tutorials and more insights into groundbreaking designs. Since its opening in September 2023, the Sphere has hosted a variety of events, from U2's immersive concert film to Darren Aronofsky's Postcard from Earth. Its versatility makes it a premier destination for artists and audiences seeking unparalleled experiences. The Sphere Vegas. The Sphere isn't just a venue, it's a testament to human creativity and technological advancement, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in live entertainment. As technology evolves, so too will the experiences within the Sphere. From augmented reality events to interactive exhibitions, the future holds limitless possibilities for this groundbreaking venue. Excited about the future of immersive entertainment? Hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the cutting edge of technology and design. And don't forget to share your thoughts on what you'd like to see next at the Sphere.